Okay, baby hands, come on, come closer to your mom. Come closer, Nak. Okay.
Color.
It's time for you to count numbers from 1 to 100. Let's start. Okay. Count 1 to 100.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 52, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 90, now 100!
Yay! Great job, you get it, my son. Smart baby boy, smart sons. My son, so smart ever. Thanks for being with me, Nak. See you next again and again. Thank you, baby.
Thank you.
Thank you, my son, ever.